Hey guys, it's Jeff. I'm just making a quick little video tutorial on how to transfer video from the Sony Handycams to your PCs. And you're going to need your computer, a USB cord, your camera, as well as the DC power cord. Now that we have all our equipment ready, what we need to do is basically plug this in, and it's not super obvious where all the ports are, so I'm just going to show you where those ports are. The DC charger outlet port is right here, right underneath the record button. So you're just going to pop that open, just like that, and then you will put the DC charger key in here, just like that, okay? And it just snaps right into place. Perfect. And then the USB port is on the side of the camera. It's behind this little flip, little sliding thingy, and you can see it right there, right above my thumbnail. Okay, and so we're going to connect the USB cord in there. And then I'm doing this all left-handed, so and then we just connect that into your PC, just like that, and you're all connected and ready to start the transfer. So the next thing you're going to do is open up the touch screen on the side of the camera, just like that, and then turn your camera on, and you do that by either hitting the quick on button right here, or you just use the sort of control ring down here, and you push in and pull it down. Now my Handycam is going to turn on. There we go. And it's automatically going to prompt me to do a USB connect. And so what I want to do is hit the left one here, the USB connect, so that it will connect with the computer. There we go. So now it's connected. And let's see what happens on our computer screen. There we go. So that's the first thing that's going to happen is Cradient Guardian Shield, our encryption software, is going to ask you to encrypt the camera, and you want to say no. So let me repeat that again, because it's very, very important. Whenever we attach our cameras, you're going to get prompted to encrypt our cameras, and you always want to say no. This is the right button down here. No. Okay? So also what's going to automatically happen is Picture Motion Browser is going to detect the camera and ask you to import those files, okay? So that just was saying that it was Picture Motion Browser detected the camera, and now we're going to just take a look at sort of the import manager here. It's going to let you select your import settings right there. It lets you select where you want the video files to go, and so I'm going to want them all to go to this C drive, on my C drive, my desktop folder, and every single one of us should have this file on our, this folder on our desktops to transfer video to. It's also going to prompt me to import this into a new subfolder within this folder, and I can actually change the name here. And now I'm going to hit import. You can see it importing the 4 files, and it'll automatically pull up Picture Motion Browser and open it up and show you where it is. And now I can actually use Picture Motion Browser to do some organization. And so now that we've fully transferred everything, we're going to go back, and we're going to want to disconnect the camera, and what we're going to do is hit end right up here, and it's going to request that we disconnect from the computer before we exit the function. And the way we're going to do that is come back here, safe ejection, so eject Handycam, safe to remove hardware, and now I can disconnect it from the computer. There we go. And now I'm going to hit yes, I do want to disconnect, and it will shut down from there. Okay, so now I'm disconnected. The next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to delete all the video off of this camera so that it's no longer a security issue. And the way to do that is to go to the home button up here, and you'll get these different options, and you can hit media format. This is going to ask you, do you want to format the internal hard drive or the memory stick? We're not using memory sticks, so you're going to want to hit HDD, which is the internal drive. And it's going to just remind us that if we delete everything, it's going to be gone permanently. I know I've transferred everything. Are you sure? It's just going to ask me to confirm. I'm going to say yes. And then it's going to takes about 30 seconds to delete everything. Okay, and then it's complete, and now your camera is completely clean, and there's no PHI, you don't need to worry about it anymore. So with that, I'm just going to shut this down, turn this off, disconnect everything, and put everything back where it belongs into the camera bag, and I'm ready for another day's shoot. Alright? Okay, so that's a quick summary of how to do a transfer. Obviously, when we're in the field, if you run into any issues, let me know.